Hi everyone, the technique demonstration that I'm going to go over today is positive affirmations. So I'm just going to read through what that is and discuss how it can be beneficial to just about anyone. So positive affirmation is based on the psychological theory of self-affirmation. Self-affirmation was developed by a social psychologist named Claude Steele. Self-affirmation theory is based on the idea that people can maintain self-integrity through reaffirming what they believe in positive ways. Through self-affirmation, our self-identity can be flexible, allowing individuals to see themselves in different roles and not being locked into seeing themselves in just one role. If we can identify ourselves in different roles, this will then allow for success in different aspects of our lives. So, for example, if we were to experience failure in one aspect of our lives, if we have these other roles as part of our identity, that might be more successful than the one that we are experiencing failure in. It can help with motivation and not just only thinking about that one failure, because you have other areas in your life where you are also successful. So the purpose of this technique, positive affirmations can be used to motivate, boost self-esteem, challenge negative self-thoughts, and encourage positive life changes. Studies have shown that positive affirmations have helped with decreasing stress, reducing anxiety, improving mood, and increasing self-esteem. It can also allow individuals to become more self-aware about their emotions. So the overall purpose of positive affirmation is to encourage a hopeful and confident mindset. Who can benefit from this technique? I think anyone can benefit from this technique. Anyone who might be struggling with low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, or just for individuals who need to boost their motivation, or just having some positive phrases to say before starting your day can boost your energy level and boost your overall mood. So the implementation of this technique, it's pretty simple. And it can be developed based on individual need. It is recommended to write the affirmations in a journal, and they are to be repeated up to 3 times daily while looking into a mirror. The thought behind looking into a mirror is that it'll have more of an impact as you look at yourself repeating these positive phrases. So I'm just going to go over some examples of different types of affirmations. So affirmations to help with anxiety. My anxiety does not control my life. I do. I choose to think good thoughts. Affirmations to help with depression. This is just one moment in my life, and it does not define who I am. I have come this far, and I am proud of myself. Affirmations to help with increasing self-esteem. I am on a journey, ever growing and developing. I release negative feelings and thoughts about myself. And lastly, some positive affirmations for students. I set high standards for my academic achievements. By putting in time and effort, I can accomplish what I set out to achieve. I appreciate my school, teachers, and classmates because they all play a role in helping me grow to be a better person. This last one on for students was my favorite because, of course, we're all students right now, and I think it's very fitting. So I hope everyone found this to be helpful, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.